How to fix a Binance login error on Android. So our first option here is to just go to our Play Store or App Store or whichever you like, and just go ahead and update your Binance to its latest version. For some weird reason, Binance is installing, and I'm currently using Binance, but that's really weird. But once you finish updating or getting into its latest version, you should be able to fix this error. If that doesn't work, reinstalling is always an option. So there are other methods to log in, either your email, phone number, but if you did log in or signed up with Google, you can go ahead and use that option, and so with continuing with Telegram. If that doesn't work, just go ahead to the settings where you can search for your apps, or you can scroll down to find this, by the way. So once you enter apps, just go to the manage apps option and search for Binance or whatever. Just go ahead. And once you've done that, just go ahead and clear your data. But again, reinstalling pretty much does this for you already. So you can do this for an first option. I apologize. So just go ahead and clear cache or clear all data. That does sign you out if you are not already logged in, but that is the problem, that you're not being logged in. So let's say that isn't really something you should worry about. So just press clear cache, clear all data, go back to Binance, and try logging in this time, and that should work. If none of those work, restart your phone. Last option. And if that still doesn't work, then you can always try again later, as the Binance may have an issue with the servers and is still trying to reconnect. But hopefully it does work, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.